So to install Skype, you need to activate Linux beta on your device. If you have that already, still look through the steps because you also need to activate microphone. So go to Advanced Developers, or you could just search Linux over there, and then turn on Linux. Then follow the steps, make sure everything's installed, and you're ready. You can close this terminal as you won't be needing it. Let's now go again to Linux Development Beta here, and make sure this check is on to allow the microphone access. Now we need to search Skype download or download Skype, anything similar to that. And let's download Skype here, but make sure to choose the one for Linux and the one with DEB format, DEB. Now let's just open the folder with it. And install. We can close everything. It might take a while. Well, looks like here it's done. Let's find it in the menu. So now we're launching it. After it's launched, you'll have to enter your email and password. And this might pop up if you've never done this before. So just enter any password here, or the one you can remember, like test. It's not that big a deal. It's on your local system. Quit then Skype after this because there is some kind of a glitch which might not let you start Skype right from the first attempt. So do it again, and then it will ask you to enter your details again. So enter them again. All right, I'm entering mine, and this time it's working. Maybe you'll have to try it 3 times, but it should work anyway. Microphone is available, camera is not available obviously yet, and we can make a test call, and I've made it and it works. You can hear the person and the person can hear you. That's about it.